Good morning from a brand new country that we have never been to before after so long of traveling in Southeast Asia, and we've been so many places. We have finally made it to somewhere that we have wanted to come for a long time, and we are in Indonesia. We will be traveling here for about the next month, and we are starting our trip on the island of Java. Would you like to share what we're doing today?
We are in Yogyakarta, going to Borobudur Temple. Is that right? Is that how you say it?
Borobudur.
Borobudur. What?
Borobudur.
Borobudur. Okay, Borobudur Temple. And about to catch our grab. I think it's, what, an hour and a half drive?
Yeah. Oh, no.
You get ticket?
Yes.
What size for you?
For me, maybe 38.
Lolita?
42.
28. And 42.
Our special shoes. I think we get to keep these, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
We thought that this would be the perfect first thing to do on our first day in Indonesia because it's the biggest Buddhist temple in the world and a place that's been on our bucket list for quite a while.
About karma. In Buddhist, there is a Bible, Maha Karma Vibhanga. People living in the world doing good karma and bad karma. Which one good, which one bad? Some people said, we don't know which one good, which one bad. Bad karma, talking about the other people, make someone jealous, angry, fighting, gossiping.
In order to visit the temple, we had to take a tour here, a guided tour. You can't visit it on your own. Normally we're not guided tour people, but this one is actually kind of nice because they strictly limit the number of people here. So it's really just, there's not many people here at all. It's really, normally I feel like some of this stuff is like overrun, but it's not.
Whoa, these are even steep.
Oh my gosh.
We are at the top of the temple and everyone gets about 15 minutes to just walk around the top and take pictures. I think I read that this top part has 72 stupas.
Oh wow.
I think that if I'm remembering my numbers correctly, but it's nice. I think that only 150 tickets are sold for each time slot, so this place is giant and it's not that many people up here all at once, so you can really enjoy the quiet and peacefulness.
got lost. This is like a temple run, you know? Gotta collect the coins. Going all around this thing.
Every corner, it just keeps going. Thank you. You can really tell from here how giant this is.
Yeah, this is the better side. I feel like the front side we came in on, you couldn't see as well.
Ini Leka. Ayo digandeng semuanya. 1, 2. Sekali lagi. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Habis baru kalian foto tuh kamera 2 orang.
We are outside of the temple now, so if you don't get a ticket to go up into the temple, then you can get a ticket for just the temple grounds, which is like the area around it. But the ticket to go inside is just harder to get because they have like a limited number per day and then only 150 people for each time slot. So we booked our ticket like a week in advance, and this was we're here for 6 nights, and this was like the only time slot left available, and it said 2 tickets left. So we got really lucky getting our tickets to be able to go up.
It was fate, I guess.
Yeah.
We were meant to come here.
And it was this was a good like first thing to do, our first welcome to Indonesia.
Yeah, welcome to Indonesia.
I can't believe we're finally here. Comfy in those temple flops.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to add these to the backpack. I think I'm gonna take these home with me. Just kidding. No, I'm not.
The piece between your toes is like...
That part kills me. Feels like a big old mushroom in between my toes. Like, oh, I don't like that. I don't like the ones that go between your toes. Like, ugh.
Is this the exit?
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like a market.
Exit through the gift shop market.
Oh, the gift, yeah.
That's why.
Oh my gosh, this is like a whole entire market. This is insane. Every time we go around the corner, I think that we're out.
Yeah.
But we're just really in here.
It's an endless market.
Thank you.
How long did that ride back take us?
It took us like 2 hours to get back, and I think it's only like 20 something miles. Something
Yeah.
like that. and it took 2 hours. Traffic here is crazy.
When I looked last night, it said it would take 1 hour to get to the temple.
Yeah, that's probably if you go at like 5 a.m.
That's true.
And that's it. But we're back. It was a great day. The temple was so nice. The weather was beautiful. It wasn't even that hot. I thought that because we couldn't get a ticket until later in the day that it was going to be like boiling hot outside. But it was actually really nice and the perfect first day for Indonesia. And yeah, to see something that's been on like the bucket list for a long time is really exciting. And we have like a month here. So I'm excited for everything that we're going to see, and this is a good start.
Tell me that you love me, girl. Tell me that you love me.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay, that's it for today. I had a marvelous time at the temple. All right, that's all for now. See you next time.
Bye.